SOLIDWORKS Premium comes with a whole set of fantastic routing tools that enable you to lay out piping and flexible tubing in ways that are much more efficient than any other method. You get a whole library of fittings such as T's and elbows and flanges, and even some equipment examples. And when you're done laying out your route, SOLIDWORKS automatically calculates all the pipe lengths and tube lengths for you. You can start a route by simply dragging and dropping a flange into your assembly. And as soon as you do that, SOLIDWORKS will begin the route process. This is simply a 3D sketch, and as I change the sketch, you see that SOLIDWORKS automatically adds the radii in there for me because it knows the bend radius of my elbows. When you're done with the route, SOLIDWORKS will automatically calculate the length of each pipe segment, and it will show up in the bill of materials under a column for length. SOLIDWORKS Routing also handles flexible and rigid tubing, such as this copper tubing we have here. It'll let me calculate the bends, automatically have the radii put in there based on my specifications. Moreover, if I want to, I can put in sweat fittings such as these sweat elbows here and have those calculated as part of the bill of material. So for anyone who lays out equipment with tanks and valves and things like that, designs equipment skids, SOLIDWORKS Premium's routing tools are going to allow you to get accurate bills of materials 10 times faster than any other traditional method using SOLIDWORKS or other CAD tools.